Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today is Mini Lock Monday, and I have this store brand, I believe it's from Dollar General, little 30 millimeter, and of course you guys see why I had to get it. I love my little brass locks. The bitting on that key looks like it could be a little troublesome, but we all know how these are, so let's get to it, see what it's like. See how bad it's gonna be, or if it's gonna make me look really good. See, that's a tiny little keyway. I'll try 30 thousandths. Okay, that just fits in there, and then I'll grab a Euro hook, a little bit thinner profile. Okay. There's a click on 3. Click on 4. On 2. Let's try restarting this. Okay, there's a click. There it is, trucking A. We got an open. It was only 2 pins holding that. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys today on this Mini Lock Monday. Remember, like and subscribe, and until we talk again, happy picking.